Welcome to Crimson Guitars, Luthiery's tips, tools and training from me, Ben Crow. I'm a guitar builder. I'm changing everything. I've been in the process of changing everything about my entire life for the last few years. And I'm also changing what I do on the channel, with with all of this. I thought that sitting down and chatting to you guys about that for 5 minutes or so was probably a good idea, and I want you guys to be as excited as I am. I've talked about this over the last 3 or 4 years actually. I wouldn't say I'm bored, definitely not, but I am inspired by other people's work. And a lot of people think that I build guitars because it is an excuse to buy more tools. And it's partly true. I am a serial collector of skills, and I love the process of learning about different crafts, different makers, different mediums, and then trying to take that and put that into my first love, which is building guitars. Essentially, I'm going to be taking a bit of a busman's holiday. I am still going to be building guitars on the channel here. You will still see the same sort of content that we have been creating. I'm going to be involving more people in the videos instead of just a camera in my home studio watching a build. I will be building part of an instrument, and other bits and pieces will be built in the custom shop at Crimson. And you'll see Matt and Sam and Sean and Dom, all sorts of people about the place involved in these videos. But what I'm going to be doing is going out somewhere different, finding inspiration, and where possible, finding a new skill, a new process, a new way to make things, a new material to work with. And it's something I've wanted to do for a long time. And I've been sitting here thinking, oh, I wish I was doing that. I wish I was able to go and spend a week doing that thing, or hey, let's go and get a blacksmithing course. I could make a set of carving gouges or something like that. And every single time I said, oh, I wish. What I should have immediately done is slap myself in the face and say, you can do anything. Why not take the camera along? Film the process of somebody else teaching me something I don't know, and you guys can see that process, but then also as it happens, you'll see the germination of an idea. I will be sitting there learning how to, I don't know, make porcelain teapots, and I will then go off piste and think, I mean, porcelain is actually very, very hard. Why not make porcelain bridge saddles? They say that vintage fenders have clay dots. It's not actually clay, but why not make actual clay dots? Okay, the next video is going to be me taking something that I've learned in somebody else's studio and then applying it to what we do and what we want to do. Guitar building feels, in certain cases, fairly stale, because nowadays we can go online and buy pretty much anything that we want to build a guitar. In the 60s and 70s and before, you would have to come up with a new way of making a tremolo. You would have to figure out how to make a tunematic style bridge, and through being forced to do that, you sometimes, often, came up with very interesting, useful, aesthetically gorgeous, or functionally amazing things that just are not fundamentally profitable to make on a large scale, and therefore we don't get offered them. I want to explore outside of the box of modern guitar building, and the whole channel, the whole YouTube channel now is going to be focusing on my journey, on our journey as guitar builders, finding different ways to do things, finding ideas, design ideas from the past, finding design ideas from cutting edge artists, finding materials that should be in our world but aren't. I sincerely hope that you are happy with this and are going to follow along. If you aren't interested in this sort of footage, we are setting up a separate YouTube channel, and on that YouTube channel, if all you want is guitar building, guitar based content, on that channel we will put up just the guitar building videos. But moving forward, I will be bringing the camera with me. You will be seeing road trips, you will be seeing visits to museums, visits to other artists' workshops. You will be seeing videos that are filmed by other guitar builders potentially in their studio as they build something for us. I've just commissioned my first custom guitar from somebody, which is amazing. Shout out to JKM Guitars. And I'm so excited, and that is going to be filmed. It's going to be on the main channel and on this new channel. It's going to be amazing, and I would like to welcome you onto that journey. And here I am today in the kind of open new museum at the John Taylor Bell Foundry. And I'm here being thoroughly overwhelmed by ideas, by designs, by materials, by the thought of melting a half a ton of bronze and turning it into a guitar. I'm going to go and carry on playing with that sort of stuff, and I will catch you guys on the flip side. Please let me know what you think of this in the comments below. I will read everyone and respond to everything I can. But in the meantime, go make some sawdust, go out, find some inspiration, find inspiration from people who are not in our world. I would love to see what you do with it. Goodbye. And cue the B-roll because this place is incredible. See what I mean?